from Cornwall. So I've had this dilemma. I've got a big Hoya over there. There's two Hoyas, one on that side, one on that side. And I've had them, many, many, many years. And that Hoya on that side has developed like a white fungus, I suppose, mold. And it's because it's lack of air circulation. So anyway, I thought, oh, well, I'll just pull off the leaves and spray it with a dilute fairy liquid and water, and spray it and let it drip right down onto a towel or something. And then, but on examination of it, and I've decided to get rid of it altogether, to compost it. I know you'll all be going, oh, no, 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 don't. I'll keep the other one time being, because we want the kitchen painted and the ceiling and it's very high. It's like a vaulted ceiling, and we're going to have it done, and it would mean taking the plant down anyway and then putting it back again. But the plant is not in good condition, so I've decided, I've got loads of those Hoyas, so I've decided to get rid of that one. I'll compost it and keep the other one time being. The other one, as you'll see, is all over it's climbing up the wall. It's done that itself, actually. It's not supported up there. But anyway, along the beam it is supported. I'll keep the other one time being, but I might even cut that down to about, say, like that, and put some, just for a change, because we've got to have the kitchen painted anyway. So that's what I've decided to do. Big decision. I was going to cut them both down to about that height, but I've decided, on examination of that one, the one over there, I'm getting rid of it. It's too far gone. Doesn't look good. Like I say, it was lack of airflow that causes that white fungus, because I've had that before on Hoya, and I just washed it, but it was a smaller Hoya, so I could do that. Anyway, that's what I'm going to do. So I'll show it to you when the Hoya is gone and we've just got the other one. Okay. So I bit the bullet and I got rid of that Hoya. I composted it because it was just too far gone. And this is what I've ended up with, so I'm quite pleased about it. And I've also redone this wall, moved some plants around. I like a change. I got all my baskets together and put them sort of together with the plants. I thought that looks nice. I love those shadows. Look at the shadows. Absolutely love it. So I'm pleased with that as well. It's nice to have a little change, isn't it? So it's lovely sharing our life in Cornwall with you, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel. It's totally free. And with that, I'll say bye for now. And as always, love from the land of mist and legend. See you next time.